Hello friends, you're welcome on this channel. As we all know that many festivals are around the corner and we all are feeling extremely festive. We can't deny that. That's why I have come up with video where I'm gonna share with you few English words along with their meaning, and the special thing about this word is that they all are related to festivals, okay? So you could use a few of them in the festival season. Let's start it. First one that I have for you. So friends, our first word is cuisine. I'm repeating, cuisine. Cuisine means a different variety of food generally our mother prepare at home, and sometime on big celebration like marriage celebration or birthday party we call confectioner. It is basically a style or quality of cooking or cookery. In general life we can say that this restaurant has an excellent cuisine. So friends, by looking at the picture you will be able to understand what I am talking about, okay? Next one is party favor. I'm repeating, party favor. Party favor is something like a gift, small gift that is given to each guest at a party as a gesture of thanks for their attendance. You know, a memento, something that you keep to remind about the party. It could be anything like any gift or any card, any books, something homemade, anything. Next one is aerial firework. Aerial firework are large colorful firework that propel effect into the sky from a single motor tube. You know, the firework that expose into the sky and spread the lightning into the sky. You will be easily get by looking at the picture, okay? Our next word is confetti. I'm repeating, confetti. They are small pieces of paper or metallic material which are usually thrown at celebration, and especially in prayers and weddings. You have easily seen that, and even by looking at the picture you will be get idea what I'm talking about, okay? Another one is streamers. Streamers are long pieces of colored paper that we use for decorating banquet hall, marriage hall, or we can say that the rooms and complete house decoration. We use it before parties. Let's come to the sixth word, that is incense. I'm repeating, incense. I'm sure you have used it, but quite of many of you may not knowing the meaning of this word. In Hindi we say that agarbatti. It would a small stick that has some fragrance released in the form of smoke, okay? Something like that in the picture, that is what incense is. You will get idea. Next word is garland. I'm repeating, garland. So guys, in Indian culture, flower garland are used as symbol of respect. In Hindi we say that mala, okay? You all familiar with this term, mala. It would be made by flowers, rose petals, or completely marigold, or sometimes you have seen that sunflower, either plastic material also used, okay? In this video our last word is vacay. I'm repeating, vacay. This is informal word but it's very commonly used these days, so you must know the right meaning of vacay, and instead of vacation you have to use, and you should use next time, vacay. It sounds very fancy and stylish, alright? So guys, this was list of 8 items for you which I found out very close to festivity. I'm sure can benefit you in this festival time, okay? So enjoy your festival, and I will try and create something on similar line. If you like this one, do let me know in the comment section, alright? So that I bring more stuff for you, because your appreciation really motivates me. I will see you again. Until that time, and take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.